Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Balaji Rajendran. In the last few sessions, part 1 and part 2, we have seen the option basics for beginners, and today we are moving into part 3. So before we get into the part 3, let's see what we have seen in the first two sessions. We understood what are equity derivatives, why we are trading derivatives, and we also understood jargons like lot sizes, strike prices, premium, and I have also simplified the call and put options for you. And we also understood in the money, at the money, and out of the money concept based on the NSE option chain screenshot. So further to that, we understood the volume data, open interest data. Today we are going to the third part where I'll be briefing about how to execute an option trade. So that's what we are going to see today. Open interest position as on November 2nd, that is today, when the Nifty closed at 17,890, and we are also going to see where are the open interest concentration for call side and put side, and basing this how to execute an option trade. That's what we are going to see today. So this is the screenshot of the NSE option chain taken after 3:30 p.m. today when the Nifty at spot closed at 17,890. So as we can see, if you see the left side, the open interest on the call side is very heavy at 17,900, 18,000, 18,100 and 18,200 strike prices. Similarly, we can also see heavy open interest on the put side from 17,500 till 17,800. Of course, on the put side it is very weak, on the call side it's very strong. So that means in this expiry also the bears are going to have a complete control over the bulls. As it is, this is what I can infer. So now if you see the total call option open interest, it is coming to 15.3 lakhs on the call side, the last row. Similarly, on the put side, it is only 8.33, almost half of what the call side is. So this is a clear indication bears will have absolute control on the expiry for the week and they will be able to win it. So if you see the option chain data, we can conclude that Nifty would close between 17,800 where the highest concentration of put is there and 18,000 where the highest call open interest is there. Even though there is a significant addition in the 18,000, even 17,900 also would act as a resistance for Nifty for 3rd November closing. So now, what is the strategy for the call option selling and call option buying for tomorrow, that is 3rd November. So from the Nifty setup, we find that option selling from Nifty strike prices 17,900 and above will result in profit for the seller. That means the buyer should never buy any strike prices beyond 17,900 because it will be ending as worthless. So the buyer will be safe if he is buying from 17,500 till 17,800. Beyond that, if he is buying, in all likelihood he might end up with a loss. Of course, this recommendation is based on the closing price of today and the OA position as on today evening. But if there is a gap up or gap down opening, things will change drastically. Similarly, for the put options, we find from the Nifty setup any Nifty strike prices below 17,800 will result in the profit for the seller. That means put buyer should refrain from buying a strike price below 17,800 for safety, because in all likelihood it can end above 17,800, so that might result in a loss for him. Of course, as I had mentioned earlier, the recommendations are based on the closing price of today. In the event of a gap up or gap down tomorrow morning, the put additions will change and the call additions also will change. That means the Nifty spot closing could change. So the range of 17,800 to 17,900 or 18,000 may not happen also. It might end below 17,700 also. So thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family to receive periodic updates on subjects of your interest. Happy investing. Thanks a lot.